CAT Verbal Ability Practice Series, question 2, Parajumbles. In emission trading, the government fixes the total amount of pollution that is acceptable to maintain a desired level of air quality. Okay. Economists argue this approach makes air pollution control more cost effective than the current practice of fixing air pollution standards and expecting all companies to pollute below these standards. All right. USA uses emission trading to control air pollution. Sounds like the opening statement. It then distributes emission permits to all companies in the region, which add up to the overall acceptable level of emission. All right. The safest bet in this question is on the concrete chronological pair AD. A says the government fixes the total amount of acceptable pollution, and D says it then distributes emission permits to all companies in the region, which add up to the overall acceptable level of emission. This then is a transition word, which is a clear indication of chronology of steps taken by the government. First, fixing the total amount of pollution, and then distributing the emission permits to individual companies. Now C introduces emission trading as a policy used by US, and A starts explaining what emission trading is. Therefore, CA is a thematic concrete pair. That gives us CAD as a set sequence. Now, the pronominal reference in sentence B, economists argue this approach makes air pollution control more cost effective, obviously refers to the emission trading approach. Therefore, sentence B should follow the discussion and not precede it. The correct sequence, therefore, must be CAD and then B. Fun fact about this question. This is a CAT past year question, and the original question had options. Back then, until 2014-15, Parajumbles was not a TETA, but a regular question type, MCQ. Now, in the original question, we did not have CADB as an option. We had to mark whatever best arrangement was available, which happened to be CBAD. So, economists' view of the benefits of this approach preceded the description of the approach itself. Arrangement, but less likely than the alternative above. So, as theta, CADB would make more sense. Keep watching for more. Subscribe to the channel. Share these videos. Cheers to learning.